With the lockdowns easing in the different states of India, automotive sales are strongly gathering momentum. However, due to various reasons, plenty of vehicles currently have extremely high waiting periods in the Indian market. This is a major problem for new car buyers who already have to deal with steadily rising prices of cars as well as fuels. If you had plans to buy a new car this month, then keep ahead. List below are 10 vehicles that are currently demand sky high waiting periods in India. Number 1 is Mahindra Thar, which is up to 1 year waiting period. The second generation Mahindra Thar currently has the highest waiting period among all passenger cars in the Indian market. The SUV was launched back in October 2020 and instantly gained a lot of popularity with booking numbers tearing through the roof within weeks. However, due to several challenges like the lockdown and semiconductor shortage, the company has been unable to fulfill the massive demand. Currently, customers have to wait between 7 months and a year to take delivery of one. Hyundai Creta, up to 9 months waiting period. Hyundai's best selling model, the Creta, has a waiting period of up to 9 months on the base trim. The wait for other variants is quite high as well, ranging between 3 months and 7 months depending upon the location. The manufacturer had previously revealed that the demand for the Creta is around 3 times the company capacity, which is the prime reason for the waiting high period. Maruti Ertiga, up to 9 months. Maruti Ertiga is the most popular MV in our market, and its CNG powered variants enjoy an especially high demand. As such, the waiting period for Ertiga CNG in India is as high as 9 months. The petrol powered variants are a little quicker to be delivered, but not by much, with a waiting period of around 5 months. Nissan Magnet, up to 7 months. The Nissan Magnet, more popular model in India currently, and it's one of the most affordable sub 4 meter SUV in our market. This little Nissan crossover has managed to single-handedly turn the brand's fortune in our country. Due to extremely high demand, new buyers have to wait up to 7 months to take delivery of one. Kia Sonet. Kia Sonet is one of the most popular sub 4 meter SUV in our market thanks to the powertrain options on offer. Along with a long list of features, it currently has a waiting period of up to 7 months in select cities across India. However, in a few places like Delhi and Jaipur, the waiting period ranges from none to 2 months. Kia Seltos, up to 5 months. Kia Seltos big brother, the Seltos, is also extremely popular among buyers in India. If you are planning to buy a new Kia Seltos, be prepared to wait between 4 to 5 months to take delivery. Just like the Sonet, the Seltos is also available with multiple engine options in our market. Tata Nexon. Tata Nexon also has a long waiting period these days, thanks to the combination of high demand and production challenges like semiconductor chip shortage for the period and diesel versions and petrol. Buyers would have to wait anywhere from 3 months to 5 months to take delivery. The Nexon EV has a longer waiting period, though up to 2 months. MG Hector and Hector Plus. MG Motor India has a rather small lineup consisting of just 4 SUVs. Still, the company has been enjoying decent success in our market thanks to the Hector and Hector Plus. Due to the semiconductor chip shortage, both these SUV demands a waiting period of up to 6 months. That is 3 months for select variants in certain cities across India. Hyundai Venue. Hyundai Venue also has a high waiting period in the Indian market, although not as high as Creta. New buyers would have to wait for around 2 months to get their hands on Hyundai sub 4 meter SUV, although the mid-level and top trims have a lower waiting period, around 1 to 2 months, depending upon the location. Tata Safari. Tata Safari was the most anticipated launch from the Indian car maker this year. It has showcased a similar response on the sales tally as well. As a result, the 6 to 7 seater SUV has a waiting period of around 3 months.